Or simply enjoy the beauty of the surroundings. Trocadero Square, or Place du Trocadero, is a public square located in the 16th arrondissement of Paris. It is situated on the right bank of the Seine River, directly opposite the Eiffel Tower. The square offers a stunning panoramic view of the Eiffel Tower, making it a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. It is known for its symmetrical layout and its spaciousness, providing ample open space for gatherings, events, and leisure activities.
Sometimes like all you want to do
The Eiffel Tower is a renowned symbol of Paris, and one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. This architectural masterpiece stands at a height of 330 meters, 1,083 feet, and is located on the Champ de Mars near the Seine River. Constructed for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, Gustave Eiffel's Iron Lattice Tower was initially met with mixed reactions, but has since become an enduring symbol of innovation and engineering prowess. It offers 3 main levels that visitors can explore through elevators or by climbing the stairs. From the top of the Eiffel Tower, visitors are treated to panoramic views of Paris, including its iconic landmarks like the Champs-Élysées, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. As one of the most visited paid monuments globally, the Eiffel Tower continues to captivate millions of tourists each year, offering a timeless symbol of Parisian grandeur and providing an unforgettable experience for all who visit. This is Gare de l'Est in French, also known as the East Station. This is one of the major railway stations in Paris, France, located in the 10th arrondissement. It holds historical and architectural significance. This station serves as a gateway for international train services, connecting Paris to destinations in Germany, Luxembourg, and Eastern Europe. This place is along Boulevard Strasbourg. This is a prominent street located in the city of Paris, situated in the 10th and 11th arrondissements. It is known for its bustling atmosphere and diverse range of activities. The boulevard stretches from the iconic Place de la République to the Place de la Bastille, making it a central and easily accessible location because it is near to a train station. Lined with a mix of residential buildings, shops, cafes, restaurants, and hotels, Boulevard Strasbourg offers a vibrant and lively ambience. Boulevard du Palais is a significant boulevard, located in the heart of Paris, France. The boulevard takes its name from the nearby Palais de Justice. This is Palais de Justice, the historic courthouse of Paris. It serves as the main entrance to the Palais de Justice, an architectural masterpiece that houses various courts, including the Court of Appeals, the Court of Cassation, and the Police Tribunal. Notre Dame Cathedral is a magnificent medieval masterpiece, located on the Hall de la site in the heart of Paris. It is one of the most iconic and recognizable landmarks in the city, visited by millions of tourists each year. The cathedral, considered a prime example of French Gothic architecture, is renowned for its stunning facade adorned with intricate sculptures and gargoyles. Its 2 imposing towers reach a height of approximately 69 meters, offering panoramic views of the city from the top. The cathedral houses several notable features, including the famous rose windows. These large circular stained glass windows, located on the western facade, depict biblical scenes and are admired for their beauty and craftsmanship. Despite the devastating fire that occurred in 2019, efforts are underway for the restoration of the cathedral, ensuring that this cultural and architectural gem continues to inspire and captivate visitors for generations to come. The Seine River is a major river in France that flows through the heart of Paris. It stretches over 775 kilometers, 482 miles in length, and is an integral part of the country's history, culture, and landscape. The river has played a significant role in the history of France, serving as a trade route for centuries. Today, it remains a vital waterway for transportation and commerce. It is also a popular destination for tourists who can enjoy boat cruises along the Seine, providing unique perspectives of Paris landmarks, including the Eiffel Tower, Notre Dame Cathedral, and the Louvre Museum. Saint-Michel is a vibrant neighborhood located in the 5th arrondissement of Paris. It is situated on the left bank of the Seine River and is renowned for its historical, cultural, and lively atmosphere. It is also famous for its vibrant and bustling streets, such as the Boulevard Saint-Michel and the Rue de la Huchette. These streets are lined with an array of cafes, shops, bookstores, and lively entertainment venues that cater to both locals and tourists. This is the end of my walk tour in Paris. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.